Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Bunny Wailer because his wife is missing. So let's get into this story. So the Star headline says Bunny Wailer is offering 1 million Jamaican dollars to find his wife, or info on his wife. It says a reward of 1 million Jamaican dollars is now on the table for anyone who has information that can lead to the whereabouts of Jean's sister Jean Watt, the wife of reggae legend Bunny Wailer. Watt, 70, who is dreadlocked and about 5 feet 3 inches tall, went missing from her home in Washington Gardens 1 month ago. Wow. I remember when this story first came out, but I did not know it's been a month since. And despite several sightings in the areas of St. Catherine and Portland, she has still not been found. We increased the reward from $250,000 to $1 million. And we have also hired a private investigator, Bunny Wailer's son Adisha told the Star. Maxine Stew, Bunny Wailer manager, explained that the $250,000 reward had brought in several tips, but no success. In the weeks following Watt's disappearance, there were reports that she had been seen in St. Catherine and Portland, specifically Port Antonio and Buff Bay. We are looking up every sighting. Flyers have been printed, and checking with the police stations at the various hospitals is a daily routine. At least 3 cars are driving around every day, Stowe outlined. She disclosed that the personnel at the Downey Park police station, where the initial report was made, are very active in following up any substantive leads, and that many grassroots communities are very involved because of the publicity that is being given to finding Bunny Wailer's partner of 50 years. That's a long time. People are not even staying together for 1 year nowadays. 50 years, that is a life partner. White Horses in St. Thomas, where Watt's mother lived, Spanish Town, Portmore, Trenchtown are also being targeted in the search. A surveillance tape shows that Watt, leaving home at Saturday, May 23rd, has revealed that she was wearing a brown dress with a black stocking cap on her head. Jean was walking very briskly, almost like a little run at times, and she also had her unusual big bag with her. She added that the family is keeping a watchful eye on Bunny Wailer, whose health is also of paramount concern following a mild stroke 2 years ago. Wow. Jabby Wailer's nickname continues to be medically sequestered, so although he is very worried, the medication he is receiving ensures that the added stress is not taking a toll on his body. Of course, the fact that Sister Jean has dementia is our greatest worry because she no longer has that ability to recall all she needs to in order to find her way back home, Stowe said. The family, she stated, remains hopeful and is anticipating a breakthrough soon. So please keep their family in your prayers and thoughts, because not only is Bunny Wailer going through a lot as far as having a stroke is concerned, his wife of 50 years is missing, and that is a lot to deal with. So if you have any information you can lead to the whereabouts of Jean, then you will get $1 million Jamaican. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.